Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to explain a question of a repeated idea. This question comes in many past papers and is always answered with the same concept. So let's begin. A scientist carried out an experiment to separate the organelles in an animal cell by mass. So here he's dealing with an animal cell. So we have to know that the animal cell doesn't contain a chloroplast. Okay, the scientist mixed the cells with a buffer solution which had the same water potential as the cells. He then broke the cells open with a blender to release the organelles. The extracted mixture was filtered and then spun in a centrifuge at a speed to separate the heaviest organelle. This sank to the bottom, forming a solid pellet 1. The liquid above pellet 1 was poured into a clean centrifuge tube and spun in the centrifuge at a higher speed to separate the next heaviest organelle. This organelle sank to the bottom to form a solid pellet 2. He repeated this procedure twice more to obtain pellet 3 and pellet 4, each containing a single organelle. So here he's taking the extracted mixture of organelles, putting it in centrifuge and spinning it at a specific speed to separate the organelles according to their mass. The question says, what is the function of the organelle extracted in pellet 3? So to be able to answer this question, we first need to know the order of the organelles from the heaviest to the lightest. And this order is always the same. First is the nucleus, it's the heaviest cell organelle, then the chloroplast if we're dealing with a plant cell. And if it's an animal cell, just as in this case, the second heaviest organelle will be the mitochondria, followed by the lysosomes, then in the plasmic reticulum, then finally the ribosomes. So here pellet 3 in this question will be lysosomes because this is an animal cell. So first heaviest organelle is the nucleus, then the mitochondria, and third one is the lysosomes. So here all we have to do is that we need to choose the option with the function of the lysosomes. Option A says digestion of old organelles. This is true because lysosomes contain hydrolytic enzymes which are responsible for the digestion of old organelles. So the correct answer is A. Let's also check the other options. Option B says production of ATP. This is the function of the mitochondria and not the lysosomes. So option B is wrong. Option C, synthesis of mRNA. This is the function of the nucleolus, not the lysosomes. So option C is also wrong. Option D is synthesis of protein, and this is the function of the ribosomes, not the lysosomes. So option D is also wrong. So the only correct answer is A. And this is it in today's video. See you in the next video.